That's pretty cool though. That's cool with the sign. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to G's RC Garage. We are at the park today as we got the plane out. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. 62 degrees. Got my pops over there walking around. He's gonna be hopefully a little bit of filming for me. We'll see how we are running these Z 2200 milliamp batteries right now. And yeah, let's get this thing all calibrated. Next time you'll get back, we'll be up in the air. We'll go half flaps. Get this bird up in the air. Clean take off. Flaps off. A couple of laps in. 18. Okay, I guess it. Stay on ground over here. Whoa! Look out for these poles around here. Cruise around with this plane. Float lights. We are in safe mode right now. Let's kick it off in a minute here. We still got it without. Go loop. That sun is fire. I have to put my lights on. Ooh, that was close. Saved it. Hopefully we don't crash, but I know that's what the viewers want to see. Well, if we do, I can finally break out the music. Yeah, the light. I'm losing the lid. Clean landing though. I use for my crawlers, the Gen Ace Venture HV packs, but they work pretty good in the plane. Hang on, let me restart my timer here. Timer. All right. There you go. Little water coming off the tires. Time. Make sure you guys stick around in this video. Later in the day, we're heading out to Huntington Beach. They got the Pacific Airshow going on. Let's get some cool clips of some of the planes going on. Fortunately, there's going to be no military jets this year, but still supposed to be some good action down there. We saw a couple of the planes fly over yesterday and it looked like there's some cool stuff. turn my gyro off and I hit the throttle full switch too at the same time. Full power either. Full power heads there. I'll get used to flying the faster airplane. Oh god, they definitely move through the sky a lot faster. That's for sure. Me being a big off-road guy, that's why I've kind of been picking the bush planes though. You can pretty much just take them anywhere. Got the big tires, so you're not really limited to where you can fly them. I just think they look good too. A little high wing. Inverted action. Where we going? Oh, too far away. Bring it back. Bring it back. Breaking one of the rules of plane. Don't fly into the sun. Let's see if we can bring it around. Alright, bring it in for landing. Oh, a little fast, a little fast. Oh, I got that bush plane though. Alright, I hope you guys like this little flight action. Make sure you guys stick around. Heading out to the air show now. Finally made it out here to the air show. First plane we see is this big water plane, big seaplane right here. Blowing some smoke. Had to whip out my phone real quick. Get a little clip. We're still heading down that way quite a bit further, so continue the ride and wait for the next plane. So I got the next group in here. Just kind of like some little extras, doing some stunts. Look at that. Looks like there's 4 of them. Heck yeah, that's sick. Straight into the sun. Yeah. Ah, the parachute guys. Red Bull parachuters. Look at that. Pretty cool. Here we go, we got the stunt plane with the helicopter now. This should be good. Got the helicopter and the stunt plane. There we go. Look at the helicopter. That's wild. How a helicopter can do that. That's incredible. Hopefully this comes out at least somewhat good enough. Here's something that might be a little easier to follow. This guy's living at pretty nice trails to see. Going right into the sun though. That's pretty cool though. That's cool with the sun. Ripping. Oh, you're doing the corkscrew. He's corkscrewing. I think it's smoke from the plane. Upside down. Yeah. Hovering. How do you learn how to do that stuff?
It goes up and stalls it. You know he's got way more power than that. He can go up.
Oh yeah. Watch and film at the same time. Trying to keep it in frame. Trying to film aircraft is hard. That's pretty cool. I like the corkscrew. Oh, it's just hovering. That's crazy. Here's the next group right now rolling in. That's the formation. How cool is that? Just out there flying with your bros. Phew. I'll leave some smoke. It's easy to follow, at least. Going straight ass. Like we got like another extra.
How did they know there's red currents? Oh, I see it actually. Yeah, I do see it. Look at the water. It looks like it's going like. How did that go?
Jeez. That thing's got a lot of smoke. Yeah, they can just sit up there. But literally, they can just do like whatever they want. Very cool stuff. Let me know if I should get an RC version of one of these. I think I can handle it. Comes the next group rolling in. Not sure what these are, but looks cool though. That's some smoke. guys liked today's video. I had a lot of fun today flying the plane in the morning and checking out some sick airplanes at the Pacific Airshow today in Huntington Beach. Went for a little ride with my dad. Got the bikes all loaded up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.